Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In my previous video, we have discussed about some of the given n numbers using while loop concept, for loop concept and list of the elements. So now here in this video, I am also going to discuss about same program, same concept, some of the given n numbers using mathematical formula. Sum of given n numbers. So first take the input from the user in Python program using Python input function. So that is small n is equal to, that is integer type int function using Python input function. Int of input of enter a number, enter a number. Next convert user input number to the, okay, that is already done. That that input value will be converted to the int function, integer value. Next define the mathematical formula. Okay, that mathematical formula is sum is equal to n into n plus 1 n plus 1 by 2. So using the print function, print the sum of the given n numbers. Sum of the first n numbers, n value we will enter in the Python console. So that input function will ask, after that we will enter that n value. Sum of first n numbers. Okay, so calculate the sum of the n numbers using this formula. That formula is n into n plus 1 by 2, and after that the print name some variable. Suppose for example enter the input value of the n is using input function. For example, n is equal to 6. 6 into 6 plus 1, 7. 6 into 7 by 2. 6 into 7 by 6 into 7, 42 by 2 is 21. The sum of the first 6 numbers is 21. So now save the program, give the file name sum number 3.py. So click on the save button, the program is saved. Now go to the run, click on the run module. So now we are asking the enter a number value. That number value is 6, and the sum of first 6 numbers is 21.0. So 21.0 is the floating point number. So now we want to integer value. Here the before the mathematical expression define int function. So int of that mathematical expression. So now save the program, click on the run module. So now again now enter the value of the n. It displays integer sum of the numbers. So this is the program of the calculation of sum of the given n numbers using mathematical formula.